Losing someone you love is one of the hardest things we can go through. The journey of grief is deeply personal, and there's no right or wrong way to feel. But please know you don't have to walk this path alone. There are healthy ways to process these powerful emotions. One incredibly helpful approach is narrative therapy. This involves telling your story either by writing it down or sharing it with a trusted friend or therapist. It helps you make sense of your loss and honor the memory of your loved one, reframing the story from one of just pain to one of enduring connection. Another powerful outlet is artistic expression. You don't have to be an artist. Painting, drawing, playing music, or even dancing can help you express feelings that words can't capture. It's about letting the emotions flow through you in a creative, healing way. Remember to be patient and kind to yourself. If you are still struggling, I'll have a book that can help you. It is in my bio. Thanks for watching.